Manipur State AIDS Control Society (MACS) today is organizing World AIDS Day 2023 under the theme Let Communities Lead. 1st December of every year is being celebrated as World AIDS Day, and today's observance is being held at the conference hall of DIPR with Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan attending as chief guest. IAS Pradeep Kumar Jha, Commissioner Health and Family Welfare, Government of Manipur, and President Max is attending the observation as the President. The function is also being attended various top officials of the Health Department, Manipur State AIDS Control Society, along with partner NGOs and other frontline staffs. Ever since HIV was detected in 1959, it has remained a global public health issue. So far, about 40.4 million people across the globe have died due to HIV/AIDS, and 39 million people are living with HIV. In India, approximately 2.32 million people have an active HIV infections. HIV is not curable yet. However, strategies for prevention, diagnosis and treatment help in managing HIV as a chronic condition and enables people to live relatively longer and healthier lives. Besides the healthcare sector, communities have played a pivotal role in HIV response worldwide.